Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by protecting yourself. Gloves and eye protection because rust particles and cleaners can irritate. Once equipped, remove grates and burners and place them in warm, soapy water for 15 to 30 minutes to loosen debris. Then, use a plastic or nylon brush to scrape away loose rust. Avoid steel wool on stainless because it can embed particles and cause more corrosion. While you work, inspect surfaces so you know which areas need heavier treatment next. Now focus on the stubborn spots. Apply a paste of baking soda and water or dab white vinegar directly onto rust because both break down iron oxides without harsh acids. Once applied, scrub along the stainless grain with a soft bristle brush or non-scratch pad. This avoids scratching while maximizing contact. Let the cleaner sit 5 to 10 minutes to work chemically, then rinse with warm water and inspect. Repeat a second time for stubborn patches, and always dry thoroughly with a microfiber to prevent new rust. Finish by restoring the finish. Apply a stainless steel cleaner or a small amount of olive oil and buff along the grain to revive shine and add a light protective layer. Make sure every part is completely dry before reassembling, then run the grill briefly to burn off residues and confirm safe operation. If rust persists or you see deep pitting, use a commercial stainless product designed for grills or replace the affected part. This prevents structural failure and recurring corrosion.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.